the Derelicts rolling in with the screaming machine. Oh yeah, I love the sound of that beast. And if you can't afford a real beast, get yourself a
baby beast.
Oh, how many? 85? How far?
Yeah, 85.
85.
It's a 236 cc stroker.
Hey, dude. Yeah, it looks like you got a new seat on it. Every time I look at this, you got it dialed in. The crazy mini bike machine. All right, the big rig rolls in. Wheelie bars and everything. Keep that baby on the ground. Yowza. That's one mean custom machine. Yeah, more liner. Getting the job done. Oh, you even painted the hood ornament. Beep, beep. Road runner. Looking good. All right, car lovers. Bringing it out, the 37 Packard convertible action, Santa Maria local. This thing's a beauty. Look at that, Packard 8, original, beautiful ride. Liking that. Sweet one. All right, we got him out. Deluxe Chevrolet. All right, Orcutt Donut Derelicts. Was it September 28th already? Another month down. Got the Volkswagen trucks, the adventure trucks. Get some work done with this beast. I like that. And the V-Little Vespers. 21 window VW van. Yeah. Hope you like to do windows and have plenty of Windex for this one. Lyft and Uber. Huh. That's interesting. Another Chevy Deluxe cruising machine. Oh, what else we got rumbling in? There's a classic machine right there. Oh, it's taking off on me. Oh, man. 72 Dodge Charger with 383. Right. Hope you were able to get out to the Los Alamos show yesterday. This was one of the cars there. It's quite the show. If you missed it, check out my video on it. You can make it out there next year. It's quite the show. We got the 90 pickup truck. What else we got going on over here? Love this one. Love the paint job. Getting it done. This thing is beautiful. I'm not messing around with this. Love the shape of the rear end on this thing. The Drifters. Riviera. Buick. All right, we still got the 62 Ranchero, still for sale. If you want to find out the details on it, check out my video. Special on this one, it's still for sale. Could be yours. Nice, 62 Ranchero. Another 72 Beansgauer. Ooh, Switzerland Adventure Mobile. This thing will take you anywhere you want to go. A Beansgauer. Fight the machine. Venturize for this thing. Next we got the Ray 37. I like that one. The Gumby Mobile. Gumby Action. The Mad Bombers. What's Ray bringing out today to show off? The 350 action. That. We got Ida's 37 Business Coupe. Right, corner of Clark and Bradley every Sunday morning. Free to enter, bring what you got. We want to see it. You might win something. Never know. Just want to see what you got. Bring it out. Another beautiful machine. Love this red. Nicely done. Love the shape of the windows. 1940 action.
Well, 'cause on that thing, you got a boat.
Got the little station wagon action. I like that. Love that blue. Chevrolet action. More Chevys. 1950. Nice lines on this one as well. Liking it. Chevy action. Got a little Bel Air. Chevys are out today. Chevy Nomad. What else we got going on? Got the Morgan convertible. Vietnam vet. Thank you for your service. A little shot of the Nomad here. Bel Air action. Good looking ride. Another Morgan. I like those. British convertibles. Whole club's dedicated to those. And Fred Fat Iron. Built in his garage. Love those flames. Love the color. Check it out. Tubbed out. Looking good. Fred Fat Iron getting the job done. All right. 1955 Ford panel. How you doing, man? Get in there. Love the paint job on this thing. Done up right. There's a little 350 in that thing. Interior's done up right. Totally customized. All right, what else we got? Old school F100 custom action. Step side. Looking good. Ford action. Good looking Chevy truck. Custom camper edition. Done up right. Totally restored. Beautiful paint job. Nice 350 tucked in there. This one fine machine. Cruzin style. Ready for any action you want. Camper, trailer. Liking it. Good truck. Ford Mustang 5.0. All right, there's an adventure machine. Check out that boat. Lopez ready, man. Man, launch that boat and it'll make the water level rise. Vix 57 Bel Air. Green machine. Always a good looking ride. Yeah. Corvettes. Can't go wrong with the vet. Like that. Man, the truck sounding good. Sounds nice, man. Yeah, you can hear that baby coming. That's right. Yeah, that truck will put a smile on your face and go wherever you want it to. Liking that. That is one good looking Chevy pickup truck. Love the stands. It's something totally different. Old school Ford. How you doing? Thanks for bringing this out, man. This thing looks fun. Can't help but smile driving that down the road. Back when they made cars with style. Rumble seat, little picnic action. We also got some adventure machines. Some Maria four-wheelers. Remember, mark your calendars. We're gonna have a rugged radio show, four-wheel drive show here coming up soon. Another cool looking Wrangler. Love the rims and tires. Ready for some serious off-road adventure. Nice. Fun machine. We've got the Cruiser. Little patina machine. Work in progress. Got a ride though. Like the Dodge. Love the rims and tires on this thing. Hydraulics. Fun ride. Let's see what else we got going on over here. Looks like we got the serious Ricky Racer. Street racing machine here. Check it out. Roll cage. Man. Totally lightweight. Nothing but the bare necessities to get you there fast. Malibu SS. Like that. Little Critics, the Santa Maria. Patina truck. 3100 Chevy. Old school. Cool. Alright, 64 El Camino. Done up right. Good looking engine in this thing. Love the color combo, striping, interior's nicely done. El Camino's always highly desirable. And another one of my favorites, the Mad Max. Take yourself 41 DeSoto body, put on a 4-wheel drive truck frame. Anything you have in the shop, welder to it. Have yourself Mad Max crazy machine. Chain steering wheels, hand grenade shifters, whatever you need. Get some machine guns, snake hood ornaments. Mad Max. Chevy 2SS Super Sport. It's one good looking ride. Those are pretty fast. Cruising on through. Good looking ride. 1941 Chevy school bus. Old school shenanigans. Nothing like this. Cruzin. School you up right with this one. Wild ride, tell you what. Right, Orcutt Donut Derelicts, corner of Clark and Bradley, every Sunday morning. Around 8 to 10, 10 o'clock's when we give away the prizes. Bring what you got. Bicycle, motorcycle, car, truck, we don't care. We just want to see it. Free to enter, free to show off your ride. Come on down. Oh, 1915 Ford Model T touring car. Nicely restored. I like that. Little Subaru action. Got the change of pace there. Check this thing out though. Original action. Fun ride. Aero Plumbing, GMC pickup truck. Totally customized out. Slam it to the ground, raise it up, whatever you want to do. Little patina machine.
You're showing your muscles?
Like that. Check this one out. Serious hydraulic action. Nicely done though, that's for sure. Serious stereo action in that thing too. Make some use out of that truck. And down top. Yeah, quite the interior too. Check out that. Nice, dude. Cool looking Jeep. Carnage, Santa Maria 4-wheeler. Remember, 1997 Jeep Wrangler TJ for sale. You want to check it out? Come on down to the Derelicts. Been here the last couple weeks. Could be yours. Problem? No problem. Ah. Got the Louis VW Beetle. Wild little Pismo machine. 3100 Chevrolet. This is a total show car, show truck. Love that bed. African wood, 10 coats varnish. Really customized little Ford Mustangs. Love the color of that Ford Mustang. Wish the sun was out, do it up right. So, pickup trucks, the GT, 50 years. Apache, 3100 Chevrolet. Got them out today, folks. Get yourself on down here to truly appreciate these rides. Bed looks nice in this one too. 1956 Good looking adventure machine. Toyota Tundra. Pre-runnered out. The stands, the shocks. Nice seats. Racing seats in there. Nice. Way done. Baja pre-running machine. Beauty. Looking good, man. That's a sweet looking machine. Sounds good too. 1985. Looking good, man. I think it'll take you where you want to go. Tow just about anything you want to tow.
Big block 454.
Big block 454, dude. Have fun putting gas in this beast then, huh? Bet you she likes to drink. Looking right though. All right. Angel do us right. Wild man. Thing sounds sick. Tennessee plates even. All right, what's this new creation you've come up with? Oh man, where do you find these things? You wild man.
Facebook.
Facebook.
6L90.
All right. Torque Storm. Yowza. Pontiac G8. 1,000 horsepower out of this beast. Fun to be young. Chevy Super Sport Rally. Definite race car action. Roll cage, racing seats. This thing sounds mean. And it is. 56 Bel Air. Looking good. Original two-tone. Looking that. Good looking rides. Gotta get yourself on down here. I truly appreciate these works of car art. Alright, stay tuned. Hopefully I'll get everybody today. A light turnout. At least it ain't raining on us. Alright, stay tuned. Adventure seekers, car lovers. Good looking Chevy Impala convertible. Looking nice. Restoration, nice rims and tires. I like that. One good looking red Corvette. You can see that one coming from a mile away. Hear that? Good looking lines. Nice.
Oh, this is the older model.
Yeah. Oh, she's been to the.
At the Old Days car show gang here, man. Nice t-shirts.
Oh,
A little bit more of a close-up of this one. Love it. Love the two-tone paint job. Love the lines. That is one good looking car. Sweet.